What's up, guys? Quick recap on trades of SINT and OSTK. Today, this morning, this stock started to pick up. Healthcare sector stocks have been moving. You notice right here we have a pre-market high of $2.60. Couple of candles right here, 1 and 2. So I was looking for that when opened right at 250 right here. Had a little pullback and pushed up right there. Went all the way, broke the 260 and was sitting at 265 for a second, and then 268, 269 at 270. I really liked it, and I was looking for a break at the 270 or the push at 271. And right around these candles right here, started to push up. Look at this nice green candle in the 5 minutes. A couple of different levels on the daily that we were looking for. So I was looking for a couple of things here. And then, I had a nice push up. Or the 290, I started to sell after I got into the stock, or the push over the 271 when it was going into strength towards the $3 mark. I started to sell. By 191, I was 3/4 out, and then the rest of it I pushed out the last quarter that I had, like on the move to $3, and I ended up having a pretty nice trade this morning on SINT right out of the gates. OSTK trade didn't really work in the way that I actually was expecting, because it started to move a little bit slower than I was expecting. If you look at the volume bars here, you're gonna notice that the volume bars, they are actually dropping, right? So the volume started to decrease a little bit, and I was looking for a push over the 24.25 towards 24.50, and it took a little bit more than I expected to break into those levels. Right here, it had exactly right here 24.50 right here, and this is the pre-market high. So I was looking for a push towards there and those candles right here, but it had a massive pullback. So I ended up taking my trade out kind of earlier than I expected, because we had this pullback right at these candles right here, if you notice. Then it started to consolidate around here, flag, come right back up, and we had the push here to break those levels right at this candle. But I was already long gone, because it took a little longer than I expected. If you notice, this stock is being moving in different ways here, and we had this breakdown as well. Kind of tricky entries on this thing. We had a breakdown, flush down here for 80 cents, and then you can look at right here what started to look like a bear flag, because this candle was red, started to push down right back here again, and I thought we were gonna have a bear flag, but if you notice right here, it really didn't happen. It started to push up to come right back up here, pretty close to the higher this red candle, and then roll over again to the downside. So pretty kind of crazy day after the first 30 minutes of today. Pretty much everything was started to kind of get flat. A lot of sideways price action, and what seemed to be algo trading a lot on also SINT. So I decided that that was going to be it for me today. Although I stayed here, right now it's 11:54. I stood here in the computers till like it was around 11:30, and then I decided that the rest of the day was not going to be probably something that was going to be convenient for me to stay into the market. It's just that I already had a decent day today, pretty good, to be honest. I'm not complaining at all about what my trades were this morning out of the gates, and decided the best idea was take the money that I had and just roll with it. I wasn't trying to force any trades. Took a trade on OSTK, and it didn't work. The push was not as I was expecting. You can go back and watch that recap if you want to, or the live stream is going to be archived on the YouTube channel. I'm going to try to put the link here as well on one side of the window so you can see it. And as a reminder, guys, you know that we are live streaming every day, Monday through Thursday, to build a Q&A session and watch list build up. And also that if you want to join traderscolony.com, it's traderscolony.com / chat and /index. We're using the chat room right there. Pretty soon we're gonna be live streaming out of there, using the YouTube platform, but everything's gonna be into that TradeScholly.com chat room, because I am using all of my screen space to focus more into the trading, because you know, guys, that I was gonna start this small account challenge, so I'm trying to utilize all the space that I have instead of just going back and forth to the chat box from YouTube to the scanners and the trading platform. And well, thank you anyway, guys, for listening to me. Happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day.